What's up, guys? We're gonna do another episode today. We're gonna be fishing overnight here. Maybe tomorrow night too, I don't know yet. Depends if we catch any fish tonight, but we're gonna be going after some big walleye. We're gonna be fishing north of Webster, South Dakota today. We're gonna be fishing some dirty water. Well, partially dirty. Some holes are clear, some are dirty, but yeah. We're gonna be trying to catch the big walleyes, so I'll get back to you guys when we start catching them or we start marking them. So, yeah. Well, we got a tail pup. That'd be nice with that one. That one's kind of broken. Anything on there? When you feel like there's weight, then you set the hook.
Yes, I know.
Okay. Nothing? Take me.
Hey, you're on video. Hey, he's an eater.
I know, but I need to get back down there. There's a bigger one down there.
You don't have a minnow.
Yes, I do.
Where?
He's on there.
Ooh.
I had the big one on. Oh, here he comes. Here he comes. He's coming flying up. He had it.
Well, guys, I was sitting down there messing around with a tungsten trying to catch some bass, and I caught this beautiful walleye. We moved lakes last night. The big ones weren't biting on the spot I was on. We were marking them, they just would not come up and bite. I missed one, but yeah, at about 1 o'clock in the morning last night I moved lakes, and now I am out here trying to catch some fish, targeting bass. Yeah, look at that, guys. Beautiful walleye. Heck yeah. Let's get her back here. I tried to get it on video of me catching it, but apparently it wasn't recording. But yeah, beautiful fish. Get her back here. Oh, there she goes. Well, guys, we got a big bass on right now. Just set up about 2 minutes ago, drilled about 5 holes, and I already got a big one on. Ooh, yeah, big fish, big one. This is awesome. Wow, that's a big smallie. Here he comes. Holy crap. There we go. Nice fish. What's up, guys? So we moved lakes. I tried catching some fish with my dad, but we didn't really do a whole lot. Fish were not biting. We caught a limit of walleyes. Hard to get on video though without having a constant battery charge to the GoPro. But I'll eventually figure that out. So yeah, moved lakes. Went home last night. Decided to go out fishing today. Went out to this lake. I haven't fished in a little while. And well, guys, we've been here for about 2 minutes. I only caught this beautiful smallmouth bass. I got more down there. Drilled 5 holes. I'm sitting on a stock dam right now, and yeah, this could get really intense today. I'm really happy I decided to come here. I already got one suspended up there. show you guys. It's another fish right there. I don't know if you guys can really see that, but I guarantee you I get my line back down there and I catch, there's actually 2-3 more actually down there. So hopefully, and they look pretty big, so hopefully we start hammering them. Oh, and another thing I like to do when I'm bass fishing is when you catch a bass, do not put the fish back down the same hole you caught them in, because it sends, I don't know what it is, but the other bass will see that fish come down and they won't bite. But yeah, this is nuts right now. There is a absolute ton of fish on the graph right now. Oh yeah, he's coming up hot too. Look at that. Got another one on. This is awesome. This is like crazy right now. This is awesome. Oh, did you just break off? Oh, you just popped off. Well, today guys, I am using a little tungsten. You're gonna use, well, what I use is I use a little tungsten and then I use a little minnow. But yeah, that'll happen when you're using tungstens, they'll pop off, but I'm not too worried. There's so many down there right now. Oh, little guy got away from me. They're just stacked down there. So crazy. I probably could throw a piece of corn on here right now and I'd catch them. It's that hot right now. I would set Phillips up because I thought about it, but there's no point. It's just, I'm in 20 foot of water right now. I got some other guys watching me over there. Hopefully they don't move in on me, but this is crazy. Here we go. There's another one coming up. It's coming up real quick. Oh, he didn't want it. I'm gonna go drop down a little bit more. Maybe they'll like it if I drop it. Oh yeah, here we go. I'm gonna drop it past him. Oh yeah, he's chasing it. Here we go. Here he comes. He didn't bite. I'll get him to bite here though. He hit it. But yeah, this is pretty fun. I've been here for 5 minutes now and marking them like crazy. Caught 2 bass, lost that one. I'm sure it'll come back through. If not, I'll just move to that hole. Looks like there's some more down there. Oh yeah, there's another one down there coming up already. It's nuts. Behind me. Looks like catch a fish and they just don't bite, so it looks like I'll be hole hopping a lot today. Oh, here he comes. Oh yeah, he's hungry. Another one. does not seem like a big one. Just a little guy. I think. They dig so hard though, it's so fun. It's not a little guy. Actually, I'm gonna go put him back down that hole over there. I don't know why smallmouth like stock dams so much, but it seems like every time I can find a stock dam on a lake that I know has bass in it, you're gonna catch them. It's weird, but they like them stock dams for sure. It's such a nice day outside. Here we go, another one coming up. Well guys, I switched it up to a VMC Mongo jig. These are dynamite for smallmouth. You're probably wondering why I'm using such a small lure, but they are very finicky in the wintertime, and they're actually really hard to catch. So, I just switched it up, and I just lost a big one on that other tungsten that I have because the hook meant straight, so it was probably a really big one. I ain't making that mistake again. I'd rather not lose a big walleye if I accidentally hook into one. But yeah, it's pretty fun. I honestly didn't think I was going to catch anything today. Went out fishing. It's like, I might catch a bass here or there, but set up on this spot and they're just loaded in here right now. Just gonna keep hole hopping until I get back on them, and yeah, get back to you guys when I get back on them. So, well guys, I got another one on. This is pretty crazy right now. This one seems, I think it's a little bit bigger. On the graph, he looked bigger anyways. Yep, we looked at it for a little while. Oh, yeah, nice one. That's a little bit bigger. Grab him here. Does not want to open his mouth. Yeah, look at that one. Heck yeah. Beautiful bass. He's come unhooked so easily too. I'm guessing that one's probably around 17. Beautiful song. Heck yeah. Later, fishy. Well guys, got another one on. This one was right above a tree. This one feels kind of big. Feels a lot bigger than the other ones I was catching. Hopefully it don't pop off. Ooh. Oh yeah, he looks a little bit bigger. Feels bigger. Weight wise. Probably another 17. Not a giant, but still fun. Oh yeah, he's a little bit bigger. Get his head up the hole here. Oh yeah. Nice bass. Pretty color. Ow, stabbed me. Barely hooked. Oh yeah, see? Nice bass. Love catching these things. If you guys get the chance to catch small bass for the ice, highly recommend it. Bye-bye, fishy. Well guys, we got another one on. Just a little guy. Nice bass though. We have beautiful colors here. They're so hyperactive in the ice. You never get their mouths to open, and they never stop moving. Oh my gosh. There we go. Heck yeah. Nice smallmouth. Hook popped off. We'll get him back here. All right, see you later, buddy. Here comes another one, guys. Oh, dang it. I think he took my bait too. Yep. That sucks. Well, guys, dropping back down the hole, I gave this spot this hole a little bit of a break, so that way when I come back, they're not all pressured. But coming back down there, see if I can get one to come up the bottom here. Oh, yep, here we go, instantly. Look at that. Oh, no, he's not, he didn't want it. He'll come back. Maybe. Maybe not. But I am just putting a beat down on him right now. This is freaking crazy. Oh, here comes one. Ooh, big mark too. Ooh, this is a really big mark. Got him. Oh, big bass. Oh. Open your mouth, buddy. Look at that, guys. Heck yeah, that's a tanker. That's the reason why I came out here. That's probably a 4.5, 5 pounder. Heck yeah. Beautiful smalley. Definitely another proud angler. Wow, I love this lake. It's snowing a little bit right now, but so worth it. Oh, I love fishing. Well, guys, this bass is 18 inches long. So that is a state, not serious. That's a proud angler. We're gonna get this bass back here. Beautiful smallmouth. There he goes. Woo! Well, guys, caught another one. Nice bass. Whoa, guy. So dark. Pretty fish. Popped out just like that. Heck yeah, guys. Get this fish back here. There you go, buddy. Oh, figured out. No, oh, there he goes. Woo! Was not ready for that fish, guys. Came in flying. He's just sitting there right now. But if I go back down there, I can probably catch him. But there's about 3 marks that came flying off the bottom. Oh, he's sinking right there. He's right there. There he is. Look at this. I had him halfway up the water column. I guarantee you I'd catch him again. Maybe. Should get back down to him. There's another one down there. There's 2 fish down there right now. Oh, he's coming back up. Here he comes. That same fish I just had on. Got him again. Got him again. This is a big one. 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 Ooh. He's digging and he's feeling heavy. Ah, he's not that big. Nice 17-incher. He's a little chubbier though. Heck yeah. Beautiful smallmouth, guy. Beautiful smallmouth bass, guys. Woohoo! Going back down in a different hole. back here. See you later, buddy. Well, guys, got another one on. Gotta get this out of there. Thing just came up and smoked it. Not sure how big this one is. Probably just another one of the same size. Oh, yeah. Another beautiful smallmouth. This is just nuts. Just putting a beat down on him. Arm's gonna be cold because of that, but I guess another 16-incher. Wow. This is nuts. Get this one back here. See you later, buddy. Got another one on me. Got two of them on me actually right now, guys. The other one's coming flying up. Here we go. See how high I can raise him. He wants it. He wants it. Well, maybe not. They're acting like they do, and then they come in and they just look at it and leave. Marking a bunch of them though over here. Oh, right on me again. That was a little guy. Drop back down to the bottom a little bit. Change my view settings here. There we go. Come on, fishies. As soon as I turn that GoPro on, they just leave. Oh, fish. Fish, fish, fish. Well, guys, I'm going to drop back down there. I just got another minnow put back on. There we go. This fish already stacked on the bottom. There's one flying up for it right now. Here he comes. Oh, he saw I stopped. He didn't want it. Jake up here, so it's a little bit higher off the bottom. Here we go. Oh, nope. I don't know what the deal is with these bass today. Some of them look hungry, some of them just like, yeah. I don't know. Here comes a wind. Didn't think it was supposed to get windy either. Huh. Here we go. Someone looks hungry. Come on, buddy. And he's gone. Oh, what the heck? Oh, I think he's still there in the distance. Yeah, he's just hanging out down there, going back down. Well, guys, hole hopping a little bit more, and I caught this one. Another beautiful 16-incher. Punched a couple more holes. Looks like Swiss cheese out here right now. But yeah, I'm gonna let this fish go. Get back after it. Woohoo! Well guys, got another bass on. Went and gave him a little break. But this one's a big one. Oh, this is a big one. Oh yeah, boys. Oh yeah. That's a big bass. Heck yeah, another proud angler. All he needed was just a little break. Heck yeah. Look at that fish. Another 18-incher. That's fun. All wrapped up here. Look at that fish. Beautiful. Put them back over here so I can continue catching them. Nice bass. That one back down there and get back after it. Well guys, we went and adventured a little bit. See, there's a tree stump there. Just went down, had a fish take my bait off my hook. I dropped down again. See if I can catch one. I'm sure he'll come flying up again. Maybe. Hopefully. Oh yeah, here he comes flying up. Got him. Got him, guys. Feels like a bigger fish too. He's wrapping me in some trees. I don't know. Oh, big smallie, guys. Big smallie. That's a big one. I can get him up here. Another 18 probably. Keep swimming in circles. Come up the hole, buddy. That's a big one. Look at that, guys. Beautiful smallie. Still using that VMC Mongo jig. Thing does wonders on these smallmouth. Just tip it with a little minnow head, or whole minnow. Minnow heads don't really work the greatest. But yeah, beautiful smallmouth bass. Get them back down here. This only sucks, it only drilled 2 holes, but hopefully it doesn't affect the bass too much. But beautiful smallie. Get another minnow on here. Get back down there. All right, guys. Well, I'm going home. That was fun. We caught a ton of fish, and it slowed down after like 2 o'clock-ish, but oh, wish I would have gotten another walleye, but I didn't catch any, just those bass. But oh, that was fun. I'm about to come out here again before the ice gets off, but heck yeah. But I hope you guys liked the video. Like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you guys think. And yeah, I'm gonna go home, so catch you guys next time. Thanks for watching.